This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Kelly Schuler. Stunning brand new construction in the gated community of 1300. Spectacular open floor plan with spacious kitchen boasting stainless appliances, granite countertop surfaces, large living area with stacked stone gas fireplace. The master suite features French doors that open to the large open deck, and the ensuite includes soaking tub, separate shower and dual vanity. Terrace level is fully finished with drywall, recessed light and guest kitchen. Home is located on a beautiful lot, 2-car garage, large covered and open decking perfect for outdoor living. The community features a community lodge, swimming pool, equestrian area, park and boat dock. For more information, review the details below or contact Kelly Schuler at 8